Okay, so we have here extended Euclidean algorithm. So this is used in order to find the coefficients x and y na kapag isinubstitute natin dito sa ating formula ay mag-equal sa GCD ng ating A and B. Okay, so let's start with this problem. So we have here 36 and 21. So first thing we need to do is to find their GCD using Euclidean algorithm. So first thing we need to do is to copy yung larger number, which is 36. Then equate natin sa smaller number, which is 21. The next is to divide 36 and 21. So 36 divided by 21 is just 1. And then yung quotient is i-multiply natin kay 21. And the next is to multiply 21 times 1 and then i-subtract natin kay 36. 21 times 1 is 21 and 36 minus 21 is 15. So yan na yung ating remainder. So i-add lang natin siya. The next is to replace the larger number with the smaller number. So dito si 21. And then si smaller number, papalitan naman siya ni remainder, which is si 15. And then repeat the process. So 21 divided by 15 is 1. And then 15 times 1 is 15. 21 minus 15 is 6. 15 divided by 6 is 2. 6 times 2 is 12. And 15 minus 12 is 3. 6 equal to 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, so since 0 na ang ating remainder, so mag-stop na tayo dito. And then, yung remainder natin dito is yung, so magpo-focus muna tayo dito sa last part, last equation na to, last column. So ang GCD dito is yung number or integer after the equation or equal symbol, which is C 3. So yan ang ating magiging GCD. So now we can write our equation. So this is our A and B. So that is 36x plus 21y is equal to 3. Next is to transform each of this equation. So i-transform natin yan. So wala na tayong pakialam dito sa last equation na to. So tanggalin natin yan. So i-transform natin to. So all we need to do is to copy yung ating remainder and then equate natin sa larger number, which is 15 minus 6 times 2. So parehas rin dito. So that is 6 is equal to 21 minus 15. So kahit wag na natin isulat yung 1. Dito naman is 15 is equal to 36 minus 21. Now we can apply the extended Euclidean algorithm. But before that, may general rule tayo dito. So sa ating basic algebra, so if we have 3x plus 5x, so we usually combine that term. So that will become 8x. So dito naman, so ang i-combine natin ay yung mga integers. So if we have 2 times 3 plus, let's say 4 times 3. So ito ay magiging 2 plus 4, so that is 6 times 3. So ito ang ating rule na susundan sa ating pag-solve sa ating extended Euclidean algorithm. Okay? So all we need to do is dito tayo mag-umpisa sa last equation. So i-copy natin to. So that is 3 is equal to 15 minus 6 times 2. And then magbaback substitution tayo. So as you can see, we have here 6. And then i-substitute natin dito. So that will become 3 is equal to 15 minus 21 minus 15 times 2. And then distribute natin C2 sa loob ng parenthesis. So that is 2 times 21. So wag na nating i-multiply para makita natin yung mga similar terms. And plus 2 times 15. And as you can see, we have similar terms, 15 and 2 times 15. So that will become 15 plus 2 times 15. So it will become 3 times 15 minus 2 times 21. Then mag-substitute ulit tayo. So as you can see, we have here 15. So i-substitute ulit natin dito sa ating equation. So ang value ni 15 is 36 minus 21. Then distribute 3 times 36. And then negative 3 times 21 minus 2 times 21. So as you can see, we have similar terms. So i-combine natin yan. So this 3 times 36 minus negative 3 minus 2. So that is negative 5 times 21. Okay, so mag-stop na tayo dito. So if you want to convert this as a sum, kagaya ng ating equation na yan, so pwede natin i-rearrange to as 3 is equal to 36 times 3. And then plus 21 times negative 5. Okay, so ganyan na siya. So ang value ng ating x ay 3. And then ang ating value ng y is negative 5. So if we try to solve that one, so try nating i-check kung tama yung sagot natin. (36 times 3). So that is 108. 21 times negative 5. Is negative 105. (108) plus negative 105 is positive 3. So therefore 3 and negative 5 is yung ating hinanap na values as x and y respectively sa ating extended Euclidean algorithm. Okay? So yan lang sa video natin ngayon. So thanks for watching.